Ever feel like your bank just doesn't get you? Stuck with sky-high fees and a user interface designed in the dial-up era? You're not alone. That's why fintech companies like Wealthsimple have been making waves, promising a new wave of financial services built for the modern world. But here's the question, is Wealthsimple actually becoming a bank? They offer high-interest savings accounts, debit cards, and even talk about real-time rail payments. Sounds an awful lot like what your bank does, right? Let's dive deep and see if Wealthsimple is the bank killer it seems or something entirely different. Firstly, let's clear the air. Wealthsimple is not a bank. They don't have a banking license, which means they can't offer some key features of a traditional bank account, like check printing or lending out your deposits for mortgages. So, what's the deal with the high-interest savings and debit cards? Here's the thing, Wealthsimple acts as a middleman. Your cash sits in a trust account with a partner bank that is CDIC insured, meaning it's protected by the government in case of a bank failure. This gives you peace of mind, even though Wealthsimple itself isn't a bank. Then there's the whole real-time rail payments thing. This is actually a big deal. Canada's payment system is kind of slow and outdated. Real-time rail promises instant transfers, a feature most banks will eventually offer. What makes Wealthsimple interesting is they're the first fintech company to get direct access to this system, which could give them a leg up on the competition. Now, the big question, should you ditch your bank and go all in with Wealthsimple? Well, it depends. Wealthsimple offers a fantastic interest rate on their savings account, which can be a huge advantage. Plus, their app is sleek and user-friendly. But there are drawbacks. They don't offer some traditional banking features, and because they're not a bank, some people might feel less secure. Here's what I recommend. Think of Wealthsimple as a financial toolbox. It's a great option for parking your savings and growing them with a high interest rate. But for everyday banking needs like bill payments or checks, you might still need a traditional bank account. The good news is, you don't have to choose. Many people use a combination of services, a traditional bank for everyday transactions and Wealthsimple for growing their savings. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs. Wealthsimple isn't replacing your bank just yet, but they're definitely shaking things up and offering a compelling alternative for some aspects of your financial life. So, keep an eye on this space. The world of fintech is growing rapidly, and Wealthsimple is a major player. They might not be a bank today, but with their recent advancements, who knows what the future holds? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.